If you're only using your coffee filters to filter coffee, you're missing out on some really great other uses. First of all, they're lint-free, so they're great for cleaning glass. Just spray a little cleaner on the filter and use it to clean windows and mirrors, even windshields of cars. They're lint-free, so you won't get any little bits of paper left behind. They're also terrific for working in the garden. We have a flower pot, which typically has a drainage hole in the bottom. Just take a filter, put it on the bottom, and it'll let the water drain through, but it'll keep the dirt, the soil, and the gravel in the pot. Also, if you're microwaving food, take a filter, flatten it out, and cover the food. Then when you put it in the microwave, the filter will catch any spatters and keep the inside of your microwave oven really clean. Another use is when you're putting away dishes, put a filter in between to protect the dishes. Or if you're stacking away glasses, the ones that nest together, put a filter, 1 or 2 filters in between, and it'll protect the glass. One other use is when you're storing away your Christmas ornaments. Take each ornament, wrap it in the filter, and put it away, and it'll be ready for you the next holiday season.